Hello, my friend. It's the Range Ronin. I sure appreciate you joining me for another At the Range chapter in the Range Ronin Chronicles. I sincerely hope that you enjoy it. So, let me open the book and we'll get going. So, the object here is to hit what I am aiming at. Ammunition notwithstanding, and for that to happen, there are a myriad of things that must happen correctly. Stance, grip, sight picture, trigger pull, breathing, trigger reset, controlling recoil, etc. I am used to the 1911 platform, so I can't use that as an excuse. The best that I can tell you is how the pistol performed at a given time in my hands. I have no doubt that you would be able to do better given enough trigger time with the pistol. I have 50 rounds of 230 grain FMJ ammunition from Georgia Arms and 25 rounds of 6-hour 230 grain jacketed hollow point to begin breaking in the pistol. Both obviously are going to garner different results due to the differences in ammunition. What I am looking for is combat accuracy. What is the pistol capable of doing in my hands, shooting offhand in my normal modified Weaver stance? And how consistently can I make things happen to determine a degree of precision? Well, the Smith and Wesson E Series 1911 is quite capable of excellent accuracy and precision, at least combat accuracy, and it is quite capable of putting multiple rounds in the same hole, if everything, pistol, operator, and ammunition come together as they should. Not to use an old cliche that has been used over and over, but the Smith and Wesson E Series 1911 is more accurate than I can make it. The Smith and Wesson E Series 1911 has now replaced my tried and true Rock Island Armory 1911 FS Tactical as one of my rotation EDCs, while the Tactical has now become one of the home defense firearms.